Welcome guys to this video. I will show you how to use Lovable AI. So friends, go to lovable.dev, this website. First login your account from here, login option. So guys, this is just a app and this is all the low workspace it's available. You can see here you have all these features and discover, and you have P2P app, personal website. For example, of the website you can use this preview and you can start using just like this app, and this is looks like dashboard crypto. You can use through like this. It is amazing option. I have this sample description for app. Just click on this icon and this Lovable, you will start creating your app through this option. You can see here guys, this is the good and great tools to create app with no experience, no required or coding options. You can write your design inspiration. The website will give you design inspiration for your apps, and this is some models guys, and you can edit from here. You can remix also this project from here, and you have different things and tools guys. You have also, as I say, different tools and options. If I go back and if I go to setting, from the setting guys, you can create, you have this option. You can contact workspace, you have plans and billing, you have people also guys. You can connect your Lovable integration with GitHub and SOAP base, and you have also guys create new workspace. You can create also a workspace, for example a test. Click connecting. You should have a premium plan, and you have also guys, this is a description of your apps. So guys, this is great tools you can use. You can preview this, as I say. You can edit all this page. You can remix your project. For example, I want to remix this project, and you can start editing for this project from here. You can start editing, and you can just ask Lovable to edit this one. For example, you want to change the dashboard of this, that's market cap and the volume for anything here. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video.